I don't even want to talk about it, bro.
What's going on, guys? So today the video is gonna be a little different. We're actually surprising one of my best friends with an Eride Pro. So he doesn't even know it. He's been wanting to get himself an electric bike to ride around with all the friends for the longest time, and today's the day. So let's see what we walk out of Eride Pro with today. I think it might be an SR 3.0 something, but stay tuned. All right, boys, so there she is. We cashed out on an Eride Pro SR. Dude, Brian is gonna be so hyped on this. Ooh, ooh. Wait, hold it. Hold it. All right, boys. So we managed to get it off of the truck. This is a big boy, dude. It's so heavy. Hold on, hold on. Holy cow. We have the Eride Pro SR right in front of us. 72 volts, 25 kilowatts. The Eride Pro SR is possibly, if not the best e-bike and e-moto on the market right now. Let's get this thing unboxed. We're gonna build it and then we're gonna deliver it to my friend. We're gonna put this to the side because we're not gonna need that. Let's take off the drape. There's not much to it. You're just basically gonna be unwrapping it like a present. So it's basically gonna be Christmas all over again. Everything is just super satisfying to unwrap, even down to the fender. Look at this. It's like you're opening like a brand new iPhone or something. So satisfying. It's basically like when you get a new car. Like, look at how satisfying that is. We still have to connect this back shock. So let's get started. We're gonna connect this back shock. All right, we got reinforcements. Go pull it up. Hold it right there. What the fuck? Oh, maybe I have to screw it in. Hold on. Hold it there. These washers don't go on the inside, they go on the outside. See these? That wouldn't make sense to put them on the inside, right?
Yeah, outside.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
Oh, actually, inside.
Seriously?
Oh yeah, look at the space.
Oh my. So with the help of Drift 8, I couldn't have done it. We literally got this back shock all done. And if you can tell, it has no battery because right over here, we're charging the big boy. Now all that's left is we got to tighten this brake, all of basically the screws, and then this brake so that everything is in a line. Next up is the screen, the display. So let's go ahead and throw this on. Just like that. All we gotta do is screw in these little screws right here. So nice. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the front fenders. For these, I wanna say that they're pretty simple. You have 3 holes that you wanna choose from. I usually just do the middle. So as you can see, this one is gonna lock in just like that. You're gonna take this nut and it's gonna go right on the other side. So I like how they make it super nice and user-friendly for the installation. I've had no problems and I've only built one other bike. So there you have it. That's all you gotta do. Now you just have to tighten it from the other end, and we're gonna do the other side. This back fender, it's a little bit different. Drift 8, my homie, has a SR, and this is 1000% a new design. These are the type of angles that I gotta get at to tighten these bolts on this damn Eride Pro. And we're actually gonna go over here and install the Drift 8 nice aluminum, nice powder coated black with the number 1 for Brian. And
This is number 1.
because he's number 1. Laser engraved, state of the art. Made in America. It can't get any.
Literally made right there next door.
Right over there, yeah.
Literally made next door.
It's literally made next door, man. No China shit. Okay. Now it looks super good now. Let me just bop. It's basically all assembled. Right now we're just pumping the front brake. That way we can get some tension going on. But this is how she stands. Obviously there's no battery because it's still charging right over there. But let's tell you a little bit more about the SR and what Brian is going to be getting himself into, because this is a big boy. This is basically the best of the best that you can get from Eride Pro as of right now, 2025. Julian, tell me what's going on right here. What we got going on with the SR? Tell me what's going on.
Guys, I have one of these myself, and this thing is an absolute unit. Scary fast. I would not recommend this being a first starter bike like that you start on. But as for Brian, he's in for a surprise because he is pretty much getting a top of the line bike, and that's really sketch. This thing goes like 70 miles an hour, and it's a lot of power, man. It's a lot of power. But, you know, good thing is that he could start slow because you can adjust the power settings on your phone. Maybe we'll put it on like a little grandma mode or something for him so he gets used to it, because I don't think I've ever seen that guy ride an e-moto ever. So, or maybe we'll just put him on the 2D over there for a little bit, and then he'll get on this one. But, yeah, Brian's in for a treat, guys. This thing is insane. Absolutely insane. I don't know what to say.
25 kilowatts?
25 kilowatts, 50 amp hour battery, dude. You could go from here, dude, I don't know how many miles. It's probably like 70 miles on a charge if you're taking it easy. If you're going pretty hard, maybe like 40 miles. Good luck, Brian.
So the next clip that you guys are going to be seeing is basically me showing up to Brian's house and delivering the bike. So we're going to let the battery charge a little bit more. It's at about 60%. We're going to throw it in, drive home. I'm actually taking the SR, so I'm going to drive real safe, you know, doing wheelies down the road, and deliver the bike to him.
Who's throttling, bro? I swear to God.
Bruh.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
This guy literally just fucking looped the SR.
Throttle, bro. I literally did a wheelie and it kept going, bro.
Bruh.
I swear on everything, bro.
Well, there goes the brand new SR. Bruh.
It kept going, bro. I've done too many wheelies, bro.
You serious?
Wow, dude.
Dude, you fucked it. Oh my god.
Did you not hear it? It kept going?
Stop the cap.
I wasn't even looking, to be honest with you.
Something happened with the throttle, bro. Like, I didn't even, like, deadass. I didn't even. Holy, dude, that scared the fuck out of me. Bro, Beto, I've done so many fucking wheelies. That shit just kept throttling, bro. When I went like that, it literally just yanked. It literally just yanked, bro.
Well, I don't know what to say, to be honest with you. You're gonna have, this is between you and Brian, bro. Like,
No, I know.
I literally.
Yep. Have to
Yeah.
give Brian some replacements here. Yep. Cannot believe that, dude. I don't even want to talk about it, bro. This is the first time I've ever looped on a bike, and I'm not even joking. I know people are gonna give me shit for this because I'm gonna say that it wasn't my fault, because I swear this throttle just kept going. I've wheelied 1,000 times, and that shit just flipped on me, and a brand new bike.
The crime scene.
Streets 1, Julian 0.
So now it's my turn to ride the SR. I have no choice because I have to personally deliver it to Brian. So wish me luck that the throttle doesn't get stuck like it got stuck for Julian. And we'll see you guys there. All right, boys. So we just got to his house. Brian is inside right now. I'm going to give him a call and tell him we're out here. And he's going to come out to his brand new Eride Pro SR.
What's up, bro?
The man, the myth, the legend. Bro, do you like my new bike?
Bro, what is it, bro?
Bro, it's an Eride Pro SR.
Damn, shit's sick, bro. You got a new one, bro?
Dude, yeah.
Damn.
I got a new one, and I got it for you, bro.
No way. No way. Really, bro?
I'm dead ass.
For mine?
Ass.
For mine?
Bro, this one's yours.
No way, for real?
I literally
bought it for you, bro. No
I
way,
swear to God, bro. This guy right here, dude, you've been bugging me. I know that you've been wanting to ride with us, and that other electric scooter, it wasn't gonna do, bro. So I had to get you an Eride Pro SR, bro.
I'm gonna ride this shit right now, bro. Let's
Go,
see.
bro. Hop on it. Hop on it.
Let's see, bro.
How does it look? How does it look?
This shit feels nice. Bro, this shit big, bro. It's a real dirt bike.
It fits like a pocket, big dog.
Damn.
Okay.
Oh, bro, this shit has power, bro. Oh, shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. So we just made it to Brian's house. He's right here behind me. That's his first ride that you just saw. He's ridden our e-bikes before, but obviously this is his now. So he just got himself an Eride Pro SR. And although it's on 37% and it's on eco mode, we tried putting the power all the way up, and I think he's enjoying it. Oh my gosh. It's safe to say, guys, I think Brian likes his new Eride Pro SR. He's already trying wheelies, bro. He's already trying the wheelies. There goes the man, the myth, the legend, Julian.
Bro, this shit.
Look at this guy right here.
I'm so sorry, dude.
You like your bike? Hell yeah, bro. That shit's dope. Hell yeah, bro. That shit crazy, bro. Hey, you want to park inside, man? Faster than that? Like, damn.
You from the video?
Yeah.
All right, he already has it charging up. Good luck, brother.
Yes, sir, bro. We gotta go ride.
Good luck. Good luck.
Cars, bro.
Don't get caught. Don't get caught.
Yeah. Hey, bro. I really appreciate it, though, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alrighty, boys, and just like that, we're putting the helmet down. We have the 3.0 right here. Obviously, this is mine. So, unfortunately, that had to happen. Drift Day did loop out my best friend's, one of my best friend's new Eride Pro SR that I just gifted him. We're not going to dwell on it too much because he's going to replace all the parts. But nonetheless, Brian was super hyped. He really likes it. Unfortunately, it only had 35%, so he didn't get the full power out of it. And we couldn't change the modes due to the button being broken after Drift Day crashed it. But honestly, Brian appreciated the gift, and I just know that he's super hyped to ride with us. It didn't even have to be a SR, and I know he still would have been hyped. Thank you guys for watching the video. It was a super crazy video. I literally got my friend a SR. My other friend crashed the brand new SR out the box, literally, and here we are. So without further ado, thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.